Okay, so today is January 19th, Sunday, and today I learned, actually kind of right now, over the past 30 minutes, I've learned that we're gonna fail, but the important thing is that we get back up and that we just keep going. And we don't just go through the motions, but we do things intentionally, knowing that they're helpful and that they are improving some part of our life. And yeah, just to get back up, no matter how hard it is. The problems, this isn't very encouraging, but at my age, I'm still in high school, and my problems are only going to get worse, only going to get harder. So I have to learn to just keep getting back up, keep persevering. And it is hard, and there is times where we need to rest and kind of just sit there, but we have to get back up at some point, and not rely on ourselves. Don't just rely on what you think is right, what you think you should be doing. You can't rely on yourself. You have to rely on God to give you strength and to do what you're made to do.
But yeah, I don't know. Today's just been kind of rough. I've been kind of spiraling down into just a sad, insufficient, state, getting stressed about everything. But I just need to keep getting back up. I'm not alone. You're not alone in your life. Life is hard. And you just gotta keep getting back up. So that's kind of what I learned today. So a bit of a shorter one, but yeah. If you found it helpful, if this connected with you, if this is what you needed, then I'd love to hear a comment or this video is specifically recommended for you. So if you find that interesting, then click on it. You can subscribe in that corner. And yeah, thanks for watching.